You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Today's headline: Bank of Russia supports cryptocurrency usage for international settlements. Filecoin Foundation launches Chinese legal inquiry into STFIL incident. Binance monitor decision delayed over law firm controversy. OKX launches Ethereum Layer 2 network for lower fees and interoperability. Coinbase CLO Paul Grewal backs Tornado Cash over right to privacy. Gaming-centric blockchain OSS partners with Layer 0 details. CryptoJacker conned $3.5 million from cloud firms to mine crypto, feds allege. Nebraska man accused to $1 million crypto mining fraud. Ethereum Insider files lawsuits against FBI co-conspirators. Barclays Lloyds testing tokenized deposits in Britain report. Goldman Sachs forecast AI growth as Q1 results beat expectations. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF aiming for record-breaking inflow streak. The Bank of Russia has announced that it will support accelerating adoptions of cryptocurrency payments for international settlements. According to Elvira Nabiulina, governor of the Bank of Russia, these crypto-based payments must be launched in the sandbox-style experimental regime. In contrast, payments with national digital assets will be launched without similar precautions. Withdrawals from the STFIL protocol stopped working in early April after developer Wallet made several unscheduled upgrades and moved $23 million worth of Filecoin tokens to an address whose owner is unknown. On April 8, the STFIL team announced that the core technical members were detained by local Chinese police and that the mysterious upgrades and the transfer has occurred during these detentions. This announcement left many users of STFIL wondering how they could recover funds. The Department of Justice has postponed its decisions to appoint Sullivan and Cromwell as the independent monitor for Binance, citing concerns over the law firm's previous association with FTX. Sullivan and Cromwell was the brink of being selected to oversee Binance compliance with the settlement involving a $4.3 billion penalty for violating the US anti-money laundering laws and sanctions regulations. Cryptocurrency exchange OKX has joined the likes of Coinbase in launching an in-house Ethereum-based Layer 2 network to provide lower fees and interoperability for users interacting with decentralized applications. Crypto mixer Tornado Cash has been fighting an uphill legal battle over the allegations of money laundering. Coinbase chief legal officer Paul Grewal has recently come forward to support Tornado Cash while defending Americans' right to privacy. According to the official statement by the two teams, OSIS, the first ever programmable blockchain tailored for gaming use cases, has entered into a long-term tech partnership with the Layer Zero Labs, a developer of Omni Blockchain's crypto and NFT ecosystem. The Brooklyn U.S. Attorney's Office on April 15th claimed Charles O. Parks III, also known as CP3O, defrauded the two companies of $3.5 million to mine $970,000 in cryptocurrencies, including Ether, Litecoins, and Monero, using two firms' resources without paying. Nebraska resident Charles O. Parks III has been charged with the wire fraud, money laundering, and the operations of unlicensed money transmitting business. Parks is accused of running an elaborate cryptojacking scheme which employed unlawfully the cloud-based computing services for the purpose of mining cryptocurrencies worth around $1 million. That's all today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.